Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet. C. Violet color, orange color, pink color, brown color. Violet color, C. C for car. Violet color, C. C for cat. Violet color, C. C for candle. Brown color. Brown color, C. C for candle. Brown color, C. C for cat. Brown color, C. C for car. Pink color. Pink color, C. C for car. Pink color, C. C for cat. Pink color, C. C for candle. Orange color. Orange color, C. C for car. Orange color, C. C for candle. Orange color, C. C for cat. C. C for car. C. C for cat. C. C for candle. Thank you.